A major issue that you would be facing with LLMs is how to get a constant format in the output. So, like for example, you might need to use an LLM for classification purpose, where you wish to get just two categories as an output, a yes or no. But at times, LLMs are also adding some extra words, so that such a system can't be directly used in production system. So, how to use that? So, how to make your format constant using output parsers? So, using output parsers module, we can eventually format the output that an chat model or an LLM model is giving to us. So here you can see that how you can, in this particular example, we are trying to set the output as a comma separated list of entities. So that is a we are importing a predefined output parser, that is comma separated list output parser. We are assigning it to a variable output parser. Here you can see that this other the example remains same. We are using a prompt template where we are passing input variables alphabet. But while creating this prompt template, here you can see that partial variables we are passing it as the formal instructions that we are getting from the output parser object. So eventually within the prompt template only, we are trying to set up the output structure of that particular LM that we wish to have. Now, this output parser can be customized also, or there are multiple output parsers present. But this is just an example how output parsers actually work.